Hi, welcome to Victoria Bossa's How To, where I give you the basic skills to excel as a PR professional. Today, I'm going to give you tips on how to stay consistent at anything in life. Anthony Robbins, a successful motivational speaker, says most people overestimate what they can do in a year and underestimate what they can do in a decade. Here is a common story. Every person has the potential to be so much more than we are, and throughout our lives, we stumble upon so many amazing ideas and take great initiatives for our growth and well-being. We also go to great lengths to get started and get things going. But after the initial hype settles down, we often find it difficult to be consistent and stay in the flow. Eventually, we end up quitting. So, how do you train yourself to stay consistent at anything in life? Set realistic goals. Many people, after seeing other people's overnight success stories, expect results too early. They overestimate what they can achieve in 6 to 12 months. Things take time to develop. The success stories we hear of people who blew up overnight are exceptional cases, not a norm. Aim the highest, but set realistic goals and expectations. Shoot for the stars, but expect to work hard for several years to build a rocket. Sow a seed today and expect a fully developed, tall, luscious tree in the next 10 years. Talk to your partner often. Your partner is someone who is accountable to your well-being and encourages you to work towards your dreams. Partners are known to be supportive, honest, and often play the role of a serial motivator. It could be anyone in your family, a friend, or a colleague. A partner mostly acts as a talking mirror, someone who can be the sounding board of your ideas, thoughts, and emotion. They let you look at things the way they are and sort out the confusion in your head. Schedule time for things you love doing. Ensure that you take time out almost daily to do what you really love. Do it often. Things you like doing keep you creative. Work only will make you boring and uninteresting. Experts say finding more time from your work to do stuff you love will not only improve your consistency, but also affect your efficiency dramatically. Be committed. The most important thing before doing anything is to ask yourself if you are wholeheartedly committed. So, don't do anything if your decision is based on the face value of things. Do you know who you want to become and the actions to get there? Good. It's now time to set intentions. Choose a time and a place to perform your action. The easiest place to start is putting your new action into your morning routine. This is actually how I started writing. I would write for 30 minutes first thing in the morning. After, I would go on with my morning routine. You can also do the same for something else like jogging or doing yoga. Focus on one thing at a time. Pick one thing and stick to it until it sticks to you. If it's a good habit you want to develop, stick to developing one habit. Don't try to make more until the first one has become a part of you. If it's a skill you are working on, focus on that one skill and master it. If it's a startup business, don't chase other ideas until you've made enough effort and progress on that first one. Once it's set and working like a well-oiled machine, then you can move on to start other ideas if you want. In short, don't bite off more than you can chew. Forgive yourself for not being consistent and then come back to it. We are humans. We have our ups and downs. Nothing is 100% perfect. There will be times when you will lapse. Everyone does. If you think that being consistent means never lose strength ever again, then you need to reshape your perception about consistency. Have you got any tips, tricks, or strategies you'd like to share with the channel? Get them in the comments below. And if you like what you've seen, please go ahead and subscribe. But until next time, I'll see you then.